everybody, welcome back to DeHaven Family Farm. You can hear the M4 running behind me. Sorry if it's a little loud, but I can't help it. It's like 90 degrees and the humidity's way up, so the heat index is close to 100. Gotta keep the AC cranking. So behind me here we got our Bush Hog, which is actually a Bush Hog brand brush cutter, and we're going to be doing some brush cutting in today's video. We got some field edges to do. A couple of them are kind of steep, and then we have one small field on the property to do where we're actually going to be planting some pumpkins. We'll have some tillage work to do in that field, but I want to get it cut down first so I have less sod to deal with. So without further ado, let's get started in today's video. Well, we just got a couple passes left in this field. Like I said, this is going to be pumpkins. The pumpkins right now are in the greenhouse. You know, we start them in trays and then we transplant the plugs into the plastic. So that's why it seems like they're kind of behind, but they're not. So I got to plow this and disc it and rototill it and lay plastic and all that fun stuff in this field. It's not a bad field, but this corner over here, I'm sure you can't tell on camera, but it is steep. It's difficult to work. but it's a good place to put pumpkins because you plant them once and then you go pick them up instead of trying to like make hay on this steep hill all the time, raking and tedding and all that, making all those passes. It's easier just to plant something here and that's it, and that way you're not on the hill too much. But some clouds moving in, if you guys can notice that. Story of my life. We started the season out extremely wet, wouldn't quit raining, and now what we have going on is a chance of thunderstorms every single day. And some days we do get a little bit of rain, some days we don't, but the weather pattern is just bad enough that I can't trust it to make hay, because some days we get showers that'll ruin hay if it's in the field dry, but it's not enough water a lot of days to water anything. So the last few weeks have just been a nuisance, and before those few weeks we had 2 weeks that was completely dry. So everything around here is similar to what it is. You know, our August here in northeastern Pennsylvania is usually kind of a hot, dry month, and part of June was like that, and you know, now we're in July, so our weather pattern is just crazy. I don't mind if it would just stay dry. I barely got any hay made yet this year, so it's I'm sure a lot of you guys have been frustrated too with the weather, either rain or lack thereof. I know I've seen some pictures on Instagram and Facebook. Some people's corn's doing okay, some of it is wilting all over and curling up. So, which reminds me, if anybody's interested, we do have an Instagram account. I usually forget to say anything about it, but I do post pictures on there a couple times a week, stuff that's going on. Sometimes it's stuff that's going to be in a video, a lot of times not though. I'll try and put different stuff up on Instagram, so if you're interested you can, you know, click over there and follow us or whatever, no big deal. But yeah, so I hope you enjoyed the video today. First time bush hogging here with the M4. It's done a good job. It's actually a pretty nice fit. I could have a larger brush cutter on here, but this is just what I have, and the darn things are so expensive I'm not buying another one. I don't do much with it, a few small fields, and then I I do the edges, and that's about it. So I don't need a huge 12-footer. But it's done a good job. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Any questions or comments, leave them down below. I really enjoy everybody's comments, and if you can't think of anything to say, just tell me how the weather's been in your neck of the woods, whether it's been agreeable to you or disagreeable. Sometimes that makes things a little easier if there's a lot of people out there that are frustrated and you don't feel like you're so alone. Sometimes it makes it easier to get by. So yeah. Also, don't forget the subscribe button there. And if you're interested in any of our gardening videos, that is the other channel, Little Red Farmstead. We've done a lot of planting, all of our corn planting, some cultivating, things like that is on that channel. I've been trying to keep up. I got lots of videos for that channel. I've been trying to get them up and posted, and we're going to be doing some more stuff there, planted in the road tunnel down here, and all that stuff. High house, so high tunnel. There you go. I'm tired. It's the end of the day. So anyway, don't forget to subscribe, bell icon please. I appreciate everybody who watches, comments. I appreciate all the new subscribers, and of course my loyal friends on here. So thanks guys, and I hope to see y'all on the next video.